Welcome to Bike Update, your #1 source for everything on two wheels. In this video, we take a closer look at one of the most iconic motorcycles in the modern classic lineup, the Triumph Bonneville T120. A bike that blends heritage, style, and performance into one timeless package. A legendary icon reborn. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is inspired by the legendary Bonneville of the 1950s and 60s, a motorcycle that shaped the culture of an entire generation. The modern T120 stays true to its roots with a design that echoes classic British motorcycling while integrating the latest technology for today's riders. It is instantly recognizable with its traditional silhouette, sculpted fuel tank, chrome details, and signature round headlamp. Engine and performance. At the heart of the T120 lies a 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, specifically tuned to deliver a smooth and responsive ride. This engine produces strong torque, particularly at low and mid ranges, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance cruising. Riders enjoy effortless acceleration with plenty of power on demand, all delivered with that distinctive Triumph twin sound that adds to the emotional connection of every ride. Ride and comfort. The Bonneville T120 is engineered to provide maximum comfort. With its upright seating position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat, it ensures that both rider and passenger can enjoy extended journeys without fatigue. The suspension is tuned for balance, offering a smooth ride on rough surfaces while maintaining stability and confidence in corners. Modern features with classic looks. While its appearance remains retro, the T120 comes packed with modern-day enhancements. Ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, ABS, and traction control improve safety and adaptability. Heated grips and advanced braking systems add convenience, ensuring riders can enjoy classic motorcycling with all the benefits of modern reliability. Style and craftsmanship. Every detail of the T120 reflects Triumph's dedication to craftsmanship. From the chrome-finished exhausts to the spoked wheels and premium paintwork, it radiates class and elegance. The twin-pod analog instruments with digital display perfectly merge vintage charm with modern functionality. Final thoughts. The Triumph Bonneville T120 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It represents the soul of British motorcycling, combining heritage design, reliable performance, and rider-focused features. For enthusiasts seeking a machine that blends tradition with innovation, the Bonneville T120 remains a true masterpiece.